Hi, I'm Keegan, and I'm an account executive at Workato. One of the more interesting customer stories that I know of is AvidXchange. So AvidXchange, a few years back, broke into a new market with accounts receivable. They recognized that there was a need to migrate to a more powerful marketing automation solution so that they can improve personalization and segmentation. For them, that meant migrating from HubSpot to Workato, but in order to do it, they had to overcome an integration challenge because they have two separate instances of Salesforce. One serves each side of their business, and the Workato native sync doesn't support that out of the box. Workato has helped AvidXchange have an enviable level of marketing and sales visibility and efficiency. It's really opened up an opportunity to market and sell to this new emerging market that's going to help them take their business to the next level. And I think the best part about this whole story is that the teams that have set up this transformative system of marketing and sales have been recognized both internally and by peers in their industry.